From now on, you will be able to place your order with Dextrat Technologies. Okay, from now on, you as a Dextrat customer will go to login, client login. If you're a new customer, you'll go to subscribe. Okay, when you go to subscribe, we'll click on subscribe and you'll choose your package. You can choose, okay, that doesn't work no more, but you'll see it's going to be gone. Okay, but nevertheless, you're going to go learn more or get started. Either way, you're going to choose your package. If you have created already a Watches Pro account, if you have not done so yet, you must send me a WhatsApp. There's the link. You can click on that, click on WhatsApp, and you can request my assistance. Otherwise, you can come and choose your packages. Let me explain. Account based. Account based means for two accounts. It's two accounts. In other words, you have two devices, okay, and you want to do it on a monthly basis. So then you must create two accounts. That's what this is for. It's 3 the same and 4 the same. Okay, all right. If you want to have one user, then you must go with the annual plans, the yearly plans, which will give you the due. Okay, it's 2 users. And the family is 4 users and 1 account. The single account obviously is a single account and it's also annual package. Alright. Now duration plans. Now here you have your monthly plan. Okay, single user. All single users here. Okay. Your 3 months and your 6 months plans. Alright. Now let's say for argument's sake we choose this one. Okay. Now we click on subscribe. Now you can put in your information, your name. Yeah, you can put your name in. Let's say someone Pete. I'm just going to type some stuff here and to Potty. I'm not going to finish. Then a number 074-877-4314. Your email address. So I'm going to use this one, and then South Africa. Always use South Africa. If you're in another country, you can select that. Your UID number, very important. It's 14000. You'll find it by your profile. Okay? So UID number, not your ID. It's a UID number of your Watches Pro account. And normally it consists of 789456. I'm going to put a number in. And then whatever is by your account, it's either your cell phone number as it is there. Now normally it's either 270-74877-431. 114, or it will be without the 0. Pay attention to that, because I must activate you on this. If this is incorrect, I cannot activate you. Alright, now if you want the local stuff, you must say yes, I want it. Okay, you click this. If you don't want it, just say no. Alright, now it will be added to your amount. There's also the option to pay 1 subscription in advance to afford you uninterrupted services. Now it's a once off that will go off. You can say yes or you can say no. Okay, now say yes, then it's going to be added to this. Okay, if I click on that, you'll see the amount will change. Okay, now it's for 148. I've said no to the cloud. Okay, so yeah, if you add it, that will be added to that as well. Okay, now you're going to go and place. You must decide, do you want to do monthly automatic payments or manual payments? Now let's say manual payments for argument's sake. Okay, you must make immediate payments directly into our bank account. Please use your name and surname as the payment reference. Your order will only be processed once the proof of payment has been sent to us via WhatsApp. Okay, there's WhatsApp link as well. If I don't receive it, I will not activate you on WhatsApp. Okay, alright, that's the only time you're going to WhatsApp me, unless you need support. Alright, let's place order. I've done manual payment now. Okay, account is already registered. Okay, yeah, sorry. Okay, guys, but yeah, you will go to the payment. It will be pending. You must go and make the payment, and you must send me the proof of payment, and I will activate it and process your order. Now, if I want to do it automatically, I'm gonna go this. Yeah, okay. You see the account is already existed. So anyway, let's go place of order. It's not going to allow me again, I'm sure. but it will, yes, account is already registered. Now, if this happens, then you have already an account. Okay, then you must go to client login. And it's going to ask you, who are you? Register. You must register here, and here you've got an existing account. Now, I can't remember which one I used there, but let's someone use this one, someone, Chris Venter, someone. Okay. Now, you'll have a password. I'm not going to show this one. And you log in. Okay, now you can see your dashboard, orders, my subscriptions, downloads, address, blah, blah, blah. Account details, yes, your account details. If you click on account details, you'll see your account details. Now, here you'll see your name and surname, your email address. You can change your password. Yes, your account's information, whatever you've put in there, and so on. Okay. This is all your account information. All right. Now, by orders, this is if you, especially if you made, it hasn't been processed yet. Your orders will be here if it's an order that's been placed. Okay. There's one. It's not been processed yet. You can see it there. Okay. You can view it as well by clicking on view. Okay. That's the order. It's a monthly package. I chose the local cloud. It's been added to me, and yeah, I didn't select. I optioned out on the actual subscription. Okay. Yeah, you can see the details of the order. All right. Now, once it's been processed, I think this was automatic, so it will go off automatically every month. You choose. All right. Now you have full control over your account. By my subscription, you'll see. Let's just wait for it. Okay. Yeah, you can say reactivate. Okay. Then you'll place the order again in place, and you can still go in again. Once you do that, let's save this. Reactivate. Okay. Now your subscription has been reactivated. Okay. So in other words, now it's auto renewal. Remember, I chose auto renewal. Okay. Now you can cancel, change payment, renew now. If you renew now, you'll go to the payment option. Okay. Now you can always go and switch it off, so it's not auto renewal. Okay. Change the payment plan. You can do plenty here. You're on full control of your account. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, but there you can go and select change payment method. You see here, change payment method. I think I didn't choose orders. Okay, yeah, it's automatic. I didn't change it there, but anyway, yeah, you go through to this payment option, and you will be redirected and to make payment. All right, let's go back quickly. Okay, I don't. Okay, yeah, I didn't select it. I just want to check here quickly. Okay, but there is an option that you change it to manually. Yes. But you're going to sort it out now, today, tomorrow and the day after. Then it's going to go live anyway. Okay, so let's go back quickly. Okay, this is just to quickly show you. Now I'm going to cancel this. Okay, because I don't want it to go off. All right. Auto renewal, we have switched it off. I say cancel. Okay, exception. You see, your subscription has been cancelled. So now it will not be going off or anything. Nothing will happen. Right. So you are in full control over your stuff. All right. Downloads. I'm still going to put the APKs and stuff in downloads. There's going to be stuff that I'm going to be adding. You can browse products. But yeah, you can go and place a new order actually, to be quite honest. There. Yeah, you can come here. If you want to add a new order, you can come here. You select your package, what you want to do. Add an account maybe, whatever case may be. Now, if you change your package, you need to put a new order. You can't just go and change it. Alright. You must go and come here and select whichever package you want. You select it, you say add to cart, and you're going to check out and do your thing. I someone check to 10. Okay, here's my fingers, here's my mouse. Again, here's my information. I can go and change the order, the information. If I want to add an account, if it's an existing account, it will show up there. You can again go and select whatever you want to select, and you place your order, and you can go through, let's say, manual payment. Okay, let's show this one. Place order. That's for the manual customers. What wants to do it manually, gives me this requires field UID. Ah, you see, it's asking for the UID. I didn't put it in. You see, so it's 14000789456 somewhere. Okay, and the cell phone number we're going to put that is fine. Okay, someone picks it up automatically. See, okay, but now I must put in another one again, because remember now, why is it showing like this? Okay, because I didn't take out anything. 14000456789. Let's do like that. And let's do 14000321456. And let's do another one. 14000968258. Okay, and let's do 27848633, and we shall do 27. So I'm just going to put a number. Alright, now okay, now I'm going to place my order. It's a manual customer, eh? Okay, manual order. What's it? Cool. Okay, you must say no, I don't want that, and no, I don't want that. Okay. Okay. Placing my order. You can see now. Okay. Or our bank details. It will come up here. Okay. You must, for now, you must ask me for it. Okay. Where's your invoice? Okay, that's your email. What? That's your account details. That's your amount. Relate to subscription. You can view order here. Billing address, and so on. Okay. Yeah, you can view order. Now, you must send the proof of payment to me on WhatsApp, and yeah, obviously then I will process your order. There's your order. You can go and view it again, you can cancel it, and do whatever. Okay, so there's plenty of power that will be put in your hands. You'll have control over your subscriptions. Alright, that's just sweet and short. So every time you want to renew your subscription, you're going to come here by your client login, and you can do it here. Alright. Yeah, a little bit more from your side to work on your side, but yeah, I think it's better. You've got full control. You don't need to ask me for payment links or anything. You can make it automatic, you can make it manual, just as you please. You can add the local cloud, so once off. Just bear in mind that terms and conditions apply. If your subscription expires 8 days afterwards, you have not renewed it, you lose it. Alright, thank you for your time, and I hope you're going to love it.